Yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's the boy TripleLL. You're watching TripleLL TV. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a guest. Not really a guest because she's been in one of my videos already. So, and today's video is gonna be about basically, she's a Guyanese and I'm a Jamaican, right? We've been together like 6 years now, so she gonna tell me some of her words, I'll give me some of her words, and I'm gonna say them. I'm gonna tell her what that word means, and I'm gonna do the same thing with me. So basically, that's gonna be the video for today. So hope you guys like it, and make sure you guys subscribe and leave a thumbs up. So get started. So the first word is gonna be from she.
Okay. Antabanta.
Antabanta.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Antabanta. Do not peek.
It's like being Batman.
No.
Antabanta.
Antabanta. It means like something bad, like.
I'm a bad man.
No. Okay, your turn because you got that wrong.
Well, if you get it wrong, you tell me what I mean.
Okay, it means witchcraft or yeah, somebody possessed you.
Alright, I'll start easy with that, right? Because I know Jamaican, we have a wickedest slang.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Really? Like, what's up?
Well, if you say word, if you say...
Wagwan means what's up.
Alright, so get one.
Buse.
Buse?
Yes.
What kind of word am I going to use that, man? Buse.
Buse.
I mean abuse?
Yeah, no.
Yes,
buse.
yes.
No.
You mean abuse?
No, no. Buse. The word is buse. Like,
Buse.
girls just buse out of the road there. Like, they...
Oh, they skittle them. Master girl them.
No. Alright. She abused me out stinking.
To curse you out.
Yes.
We are deal with.
That means what y'all deal with means what are you up to or what you doing. It can mean multiple things. Yeah, like.
Alright, we give her. She get over that. Alright, we give her that one.
I pass. I use this one on you all the time, so.
Say it again.
I pass. Like you take your eyes and pass me.
I pass.
Yes, I use that on you all the time.
Guyanese have some words. I pass.
I.
Oh,
pass.
Like, it's like somebody being rude to you.
Yes. Yeah.
Right,
basically.
Good. Zine.
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 This one, I know it, but like I don't know how to explain it.
I get hard with her now.
Zine.
Cause she give me some hard ones, so I get hard with her now.
No. Zine is like, you know what I'm saying? Like zine. Yes.
She kinda get with still, so yeah, I'll give her that one.
Jumbie. I just see a jumbie, but I like swear it was like seeing a jumbie.
Ugly man.
No.
Dumpy.
Yes.
Yo. Dumpy. Alright, bad. Pasa.
That's a dance. Like a way of dance.
It's a dance, but it's a word too. Pasa.
It's a dance. Like I just know pasa as a party, like a type of party, like a block party, that you guys have.
Block party.
Like yeah, like where you party in the streets. That's what you guys have, right? Like pasa Wednesday type of thing.
Oh, she thought pasa did the party.
Yeah.
No, but I thought the word pasa.
Well, me not know.
Yeah, no.
Me not know.
Mix up.
Pasa means mix up?
Yeah, mix up.
Okay.
Yeah, mix
Okay.
up.
Okay, I know what
Too fast.
Yeah, you're too fast. Like
Yeah.
you mix up in everything.
Yeah.
Pato.
Pata.
Yes.
Pata. That thing me hear the word already. You know?
Yeah.
Say pata. I think it means like talk about the female vagina.
Yes! How do you know?
Have you mentioned something like that before?
Wow, I am so proud of you for that one.
Where you depend? Where you depend? Bro, where you depend, bro?
What you up to?
Figure more than easy, yo.
Yeah, I feel like it is, or maybe I just paid too much attention, and when I went to Jamaica, I did pick up their accent.
No, upgrade my levels, bro. Upgrade my words, what you know.
Alright. Brockadong.
Brockadong?
Yeah, you can say Brockadong, but it's called Brockadong.
Brockadong.
Yes. That thing is so Brockadong. Like, what are you doing with the Brockadong thing? Okay, yeah. Wow.
That's easy. Just be Brockadong.
No, it's because I placed it in a sentence.
Walk good.
That's 2 words.
Walk good.
Are you telling somebody to walk good? Walk in carno?
Walk good.
Why are you in
Tell me, walk good.
Walk good? Walk in the corner, like, take your time, walk.
Take your time. Bro, walk good, bro. It's a slang, So it means something, so walk good. What that mean?
Take your time, walk. I don't know. That's what I think it means.
No, that means see you later, bro.
Walk?
Yeah. Walk good means see you later. Like I tell them, alright, them see you walk good. See you later. Yeah.
Auntie man.
Batty man.
You peeped that
Bro,
one from the
you use that word
beginning.
some of this time. Yeah, you use that with some of your cousin or auntie, whatever. So I know that word. So, yardy.
Okay, yardy can be when you say yardy, you can say that person is a Jamaican. He's a yardy, or you can use yardy as that person is my friend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Having so much fun, we want to keep going.
We're supposed to give it 5 words. 5 from her, 5 from me. So I think we go over the 5. But
yeah, but we're having fun.
Like 2 more. No, we have to do 2 more.
Bano.
Bana.
Yes. Not bana. Bano.
Bana.
Like, wago.
Like a virgin friend.
Oh, what? You peeped.
No, not peep, bro. Say yo.
I don't
just
believe
like
you.
you hear me saying words, that's just the same.
I don't use that.
Catch
I really had to look for that one.
Well,
I had to search my brain for that one.
Small up yourself.
I heard this one before.
Yo, small up yourself.
Okay, so like if you go in a vehicle and it's like a lot of people in the car, so you tell the person to scoot over, smile up yourself so you can fit. Is that what it means?
Bro, small up yourself.
Okay, so like I would scoot over so you can fit.
Small up yourself.
Is that not what it means?
Yeah, it's what I mean.
Buddy.
Like you call someone.
Buddy.
Body.
Buddy.
Body.
Buddy. Day.
Body.
Yeah.
Body.
Buddy.
Body.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I call someone like friend. Body.
B-U-D-D-A-Y.
Buddy.
Buddy.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Like curse someone.
No, it's not a curse word.
It's like saying hi. What's up? Buddy.
No.
What to doing?
Alright, like when I'm like talking, like I would be like, what's up, buddy? What going on, buddy?
What going on? Oh, listen, what going on?
One buddy.
Yeah, talk about you.
What going on, buddy? I don't know.
Buddy.
Yeah, buddy. You don't know
Alright,
that
so
one?
I'm gonna give her my last
Buddy.
word. She already give my last fear last word, so I'm gonna give her the last word.
But you don't know what buddy means.
Yeah, just tell me.
What? I
What
didn't
mean?
say. Buddy means buddy, like you're my buddy, so hey buddy.
Alright. Buddy.
Yes, buddy.
Alright. Everything Chris?
Everything good? That was so easy.
Alright, she get that. Thanks you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. If you want she back in some video, just subscribe to the channel and just comment below and say bring back that cute girl in the video. Alright? So yeah, see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in to TripleLL TV. I'm out.